Welcome to English with Gourango. Today, you have 20 English spelling questions. Choose the correct answer before the time runs out. Let's begin. Question 1. 1. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Achievement. B. Achievement. C. Achievement. D. Achievement. Answer. B. Achievement. Next question. 2. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Privilege. B. Privilege. C. Privilege. D. Privilege. Answer. A. Privilege. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Definitely. B. Definitely. C. Definitely. D. Definitely. Answer. C. Definitely. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Maintenance. B. Maintenance. C. Maintenance. D. Maintenance. Answer. A. Maintenance. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Pursue. B. Pursuit. C. Pursuee. D. Pursuee. Answer. B. Pursued. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Pronunciation. B. Pronunciation. C. Pronunciation. D. Pronunciation. Answer. C. Pronunciation. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Entrepreneur. B. Entrepreneur. C. Entrepreneur. D. Entrepreneur. Answer. A. Entrepreneur. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Aggressive. B. Aggressive. C. Aggressive. D. Aggressive. Answer. C. Aggressive. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Accommodation. B. Accommodation. C. Accommodation. D. Accommodation. Answer. B. Accommodation. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Restaurant. B. Restaurant. C. Restaurant. D. Restaurant. Answer. A. Restaurant. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Embarrassment. B. Embarrassment. C. Embarrassment. D. Embarrassment. Answer. B. Embarrassment. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Independent. B. Independent. C. Independent. D. Independent. Answer. B. Independent. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Recommendation. B. Recommendation. C. Recommendation. D. Recommendation. Answer. C. Recommendation. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Perseverance. B. Perseverance. C. Perseverance. D. Perseverance. Answer. A. Perseverance. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Conscious. B. Conscious. C. Conscious. D. Conscious. Answer. A. Conscious. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Convenient. B. Convenient. C. Convenient. D. Convenient. Answer. A. Convenient. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Existence. B. Existence. C. Existence. D. Existence. Answer. B. Existence. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Familiar. B. Familiar. C. Familiar. D. Familiar. Answer. A. Familiar. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Guarantee. B. Guarantee. C. Guarantee. D. Guarantee. Answer. A. Guarantee. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Hierarchy. B. Hierarchy. C. Hierarchy. D. Hierarchy. Answer. A. Hierarchy. Ending. How many did you get out of 20? Comment your score below. Don't forget to subscribe to English with Gourango for more English quizzes.